Hi guys, in this video we are going to take a look at basic transformations. And the first one we're going to look at is what happens when the graph of a basic toolkit function such as f of x equals x squared, which is a parabola, what happens if it's translated or shifted a certain number of units to the right or left. So you can see that here the graph of x squared becomes x plus 4 squared. So what is going on with that? So I just wanted to show that on the graphing calculator. So here is your x squared. That's the red graph. And let me also graph right next to it x plus 4 squared. So you would think that because you are adding 4, the new graph can be obtained from the red graph by shifting 4 to the right, but that's not right. You see that? So when you want to get the blue graph, you're actually shifting 4 units to the left, not to the right. And vice versa. For example, if this was like -4, what would mean? It would mean that the graph is shifted 4 units to the right. So just to remember that it's like the opposite, okay? So here we're going to say that the graph needs to shift 4 units to the left, even though it looks like +4, you think is to the right, but no, it's the opposite. Okay, so let's see if we can graph it. Now, first of all, you need to choose the right function. So hopefully you already know the basic toolkit functions, like this is a line, that's a parabola, this is square root, and that's absolute value. And obviously we want a parabola, so we're going to select this. Now we want to shift 4 units to the left. So it's very, very easy because your vertex here at 0, 0 is just going to get shifted 4 to the left. So this is where the vertex is going to be. And then we want just 1 point. So the original graph, as you can see, had the point 1, 1, right? So you just go 1 to the right, 1 up. So you have to do exactly the same thing here. You just go 1 to the right, 1 up, and the new point will be -3, +1, and that's going to be the new graph.